What is going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, and I'm back with another video for y'all, man. Listen, bruh. Y'all already know what today is, bruh. March 6th, bruh. And y'all know that these Air Jordan 1 University Blue, aka UNC ones dropped today, bruh. Listen, bruh. This shit was crazy, bruh. I ain't gonna lie. Out here in the area that I'm in, bruh, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This shit was wild, bro. I had managers at stores lying to me about sneaker sizes that was sold out when I'm one of the first persons in line, bro. Shit is crazy, bro. Listen, man. This right here was a wild release, bro. But listen, I ain't gonna take up much of y'all time, bro. I'm pretty sure the same shit went down in y'all area. And I would love to see and hear about that all in the comments below. But let's go ahead and get into this video and the reason why you tapped that view button, man. Let's go ahead and get it, bro. Regular Jordan 1 box, bro. Nothing special about that. As you can see, they did cut my shit open whenever they was opening up the other box to get them. They put that damn razor blade on my shit. But the colorway and label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway is white, black, university blue. This is a size 10 personal pair, and these things did retail for 170 of them things, man. You know what I'm saying? Give you a close look at it, man. Let's go ahead and open up the top. You do get your stamp off at the top of the the top of the lid. White paper, green sticker, man. Bam! Now we have it, the Air Jordan 1 University Blue, aka UNC ones, man. Listen, I'm glad that I got this one in the collection. Now, I was able to pick up the UNC 3s back in 2020, bro, when they released, and I'm glad to have that one as well. But I don't have any of the other UNCs in my collection, bro. You know what I'm saying? Not the off-whites or the other ones that dropped before this one, man. So your boy is excited to have this one here, man. But that's enough of that, bro. Let's go ahead and get into the review. Then I can tell y'all my thoughts and opinions about this sneaker. You can see that you do get a blue university blue outsole, white midsole, white side panel, and you can see on that side panel, man, that tumble leather is butter. You know what I'm saying? Real butter. You got a black Nike swoosh that got that tumble on it as well. On this side, bruh, you got that university blue that runs around the overlay around the toe box, and you also see it on the ankle part as well as the heel. You got a white tongue, white toe box. You got that Nike Air on the tongue in the university blue colorway. You got a black sock liner, man, and let's see, bro. You pull out the shoe tree. You can see that the shoe tree does have 10, 10.5 on there. Insole does have that black insole with that university blue writing and Nike Air in there, man. And bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. The tumble leather on this thing is butter, man. It's butter. I'm gonna see it, that toe box. Toe box is soft. Not that shadow backboard soft, but it's soft enough for me, bro. And these things is not leaving my collection. So I'm happy with how this sneaker actually came, bro. Other than that, man, you got your Black Wings logo on the side right here as well. You know, around the ankle part right here, you can see that it's soft around here as well, man. So this is not a bad sneaker, bro. And whoever wanted this sneaker, bro, if you was able to go get it, I hope that you got it. You got black laces, and you can see from the other pair, you do get a spare pair of UNC laces to go with these things, man. So, bro, overall, bro, this shoe is not bad. You know what I'm saying? I would rate it a good 9 out of 10 for rating it, man. You know what I'm saying? If I had to rate it, 9 out of 10. Quality is A1. You know what I'm saying? So that's dope to me, man. But as y'all can see, bro, if you struck out, bro, and you trying to go purchase this thing on StockX, bro, those numbers are up there, bro. You know, I feel like these does have the potential of even being a higher rate than the Mochas was, man. If you go back and look at any UNC colorway sneakers, bro, those numbers are high, bro, and they are getting it, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I hope that y'all guys was able to pick up your shoe easily than I did, bro. The ones that end up hitting on raffles or whatnot, bro. I hope y'all didn't have to deal with what I had to deal with this morning, bro. The shit was ridiculous, but at the end of the day, You know what I'm saying? I still end up getting my sneaker, and I'm happy that I was able to bring y'all guys the review, man. You know what I'm saying? And those who took W's on sneakers app or foot sites, man, y'all let me know down in the comment section how y'all actually feel about this sneaker, bruh. What's your thoughts and opinions? Are y'all keeping it? Or did y'all just grab it for the resale or whatnot, bruh? Let me know all that down there in the comment section, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, bruh, you know it's your boy Chaotic Kicks, bruh, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.